Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you my embroidery portrait. It's not done yet. As you can see, I just need to finish the hijab. I'm not sure if you know who's this person. Actually, she's a singer. She's a Malaysian singer. And let me show you the original image that I did for this embroidery piece. Actually, I changed the color of the hijab because I don't want to make this color. I want it to be something more bright, and I hope I can make it done by today, and I will show you how I finish the hijab. As usual, I'm using DMC embroidery needles, so this is my favorite needles, and also the thread I'm using from DMC brand. And for information, I'm using one strand. So if you don't know how to separate the floss, you may check my previous post. I have posted the video about how to separate the thread. Okay, let me show you a bit on how I did for this hijab. Actually, it's like a coloring pencil. I always imagine my embroidery seems like coloring, even though I'm not good in coloring. So you just need to blend in all the thread. Just go ahead. Okay, you just need to blend in because this is a one color, so it will be more easy than you have to blend more than one color. And this is linen fabric. I love to use linen fabric because of the appearance, and it's more comfortable for me. Okay, that's my personal opinion. I'm not sure the others. Okay, so it's just go through like that. Okay, just go up and down. And oops, sometimes it can fall out easily. So this is my embroidery thread. Okay, here we go. I will show you when I'm done with this piece. Okay, you can try it by your own. Actually, this is my first finished portrait. I have a lot of unfinished project, so this is my first finish. actually not done yet. But I hope I will make it done by today. Yes, I really hope. Okay, I will show you when it's done. Yep, it's still a long way to go, but we will get there. Yep, this is Dato Siti Nurhaliza. I don't know, I've shown this photo on my Facebook, but some of them comment this look like Umi Aida or Alvera. So Umi Aida is Malaysian female actor, and I think she's a singer too, because I've heard long time ago she's a singer though. This is not Umi Aida, okay? This is Dato Siti Nurhaliza. Maybe some, I don't know, maybe a bit angle look like Umi Aida, but this is Dato Siti Nurhaliza. I hope you can see it. I'm not going to speed up this video this time, because my kid's not at home right now, so this time I want to make it as the normal version of my stitch. Usually I speed up the video, but this time no. And you know what? I love the sound of the needle go through the fabric up and down. I think there's such a good sound for me. The thing, like, it took forever for me, but it's fine. We can be fine. So just go up and down. Okay, we just need to finish this side. I'll be right back when we're done all the space here. Alhamdulillah, finally it's done. So this is Dato Siti Nurhaliza embroidery, and thank you for watching my video. And another one, I will post this photo on my Instagram, and I really need your help to tag her on Instagram until she notices about this. And if you would love to do that, you can click my Instagram link in the description below. May Allah bless you, and thank you for helping me. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope I can see you in the next video again next time. Thanks again. Bye. Assalamualaikum.